Hello and welcome to Alleviate Dry Eye. Today we're talking about habits. Now, I've just gone over in a last video about good eye habits, good healthy eye habits. And the best eye habit is to develop an daily routine to take care of your eyes. After all, it's the only pair you're ever going to have, so let's take care of them. Right? I've developed a course called the Eye Care Essentials course that'll walk you through the steps that you need to take care of your eyes on a daily basis. So that one pair of beautiful eyes you have in your head will last you a lifetime. If you'd like to get the Eye Care Essentials course for free, you can get it when you purchase the Eye Care Essentials kit, which gives you the products that you need to follow the 4 simple steps to take care of your eyes on a daily basis. I'll put the link below. All right, so how are we going to develop these healthy habits? Well, research shows that if we do something for 28 days in a row, then that habit will stick. So it's something that we want to do on a continuous basis every day. Couple ways to get that done. We're going to want to track it. So Seinfeld, the comedian, when he was becoming a comedian, he said to himself, if I want to be a comedian, I need to be funny. So I need to tell a joke every day. So this method is called the Seinfeld method. He decided to track his jokiness. So every day that he told a joke, he would put a mark on his calendar. And then he wanted to see how many days he could keep that habit going. So you can grab a calendar, any kind will do. And then when you've done your eye care for the day, you can put a line through it. Now, I do recommend that you do your eye care twice a day, so maybe you'd like to exit out. So there you have it. Every day that you do your eye care, you can X out the box and track how many days in a row can you keep that habit going. Now, I wrote a book called Alleviate Dry Eye, and it comes with a free workbook. In this workbook, on page 8, I have a little habit tracker called the Seinfeld method. If you'd like to download this habit tracker, you can go to pamterrio.com/alleviate book, and then you can download the free workbook. All right, and that will take you through 8 weeks of tracking your eye care to make it a habit. The final way I'd like to talk to you about developing healthy habits is by sandwiching them or stacking them within something that you're already doing. So let's take a habit that's ingrained in most of us Americans. We brush our teeth twice a day, like clockwork. We wouldn't dream of leaving the house without brushing our teeth. Why not pair our eye care at the same time as our dental health, right? So we brush our teeth and then we do our 4 simple steps for eye care in the morning. We do our tears, cleanse our lids, use our warm compress, and take a nutritional supplement. Voila, all done in the same amount of time it takes to brush and floss. All right, so there you have it. Stack your new habit on top of something you're already doing. So if you're used to drinking water while you're sitting at your desk, use your artificial tears while you're drinking your water. All right, so there you have it, some easy ways to develop new habits for the new year. I can't wait to see how you've done. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.